Are there any simple or proactive ways organizations can leverage AI to enhance human decision making rather than just automating everything, for instance?
Yes. I actually think that in order for an organization to leverage AI to kind of like enhance the decision-making process rather than automate it, what Chris was talking about was kind of like the blindly we're just going to implement it and solve everything. And I think what a key piece that could prevent that that fallacy sort of thinking is education. You know, there needs to be, we have this powerful world changing tool that has been dropped into our laps, and I can log on to ChatGPT and ask it to do anything that I want to, and so can everyone else in any role, right? But we're just kind of twiddling around with it, right? And we're being told certain things that it can do, promised things that it's going to do, but they're, but a lot of organizations are just saying, oh, let's just use it. Let's just use it. Like Chris talked about, and the education component is missing, right? So however that looks like for some organizations, it is utilizing, a consultancy. Maybe they're I work with a couple organizations that are co-pilot registered trainers. They've been trained by Microsoft. They're part of the ecosystem to develop the product itself, so they know the ins and outs of the systems and what it can do and what it can provide to an organization. But otherwise, you're left with people kind of just seeing, well, what can it do? Can it do this? I don't know, and you get a sort of cyclical wasting time, wasting resources, trying to figure out, what are we going to actually implement this solution for?
It's the old saying, the age-old saying of a little knowledge can be a very dangerous thing.
Yeah, right. And in this case, you have, the knowledge is.
And I'm referring to the human element here.
Yeah, absolutely. So I think that education piece is critical for any organization that's